Hey guys, what's up? This is Adam Banton, and this is my Vital BMX bike check. Starting out with the frame, I got the 2011 Eastern Bikes Codec frame, the Adam Banton version 2 grips I designed with Odyssey cables, elementary Odyssey stem. On the front here with the brake setup, I got on the left Odyssey mono lever, and on the right for the rear I have the Odyssey M2 and the Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. Odyssey freestyle forks, 3/8 axle, G-Sport Marmoset hub, the orange tan wall Odyssey Aaron Ross tires. Matt Behringer, he was nice enough to custom make me a really good hub guard. He's selling those hub guards. Hit him up on Facebook. Moving to the middle here, I got a Odyssey Intact seat post that you can see quite a bit. Odyssey veteran seat, Odyssey Twan bolts with the JCPC pedals. Took the pins out on the bottom left one for crank arms and Luckies. MDS 28 tooth sprocket with Eastern half link chain. G-Sport ratchet hub with a aluminum 3/8 axle and Odyssey prototype titanium 3/8 bolts, and the G-Sport hub guard with Plague on the back. Got Odyssey Evo 2 brakes